Hello, my name is Ron Kaufman. I'm the author of the New York Times best-selling book, Uplifting Service, The Proven Path to Delighting Your Customers, Colleagues, and everyone else you meet. I will soon be coming to Bahrain to conduct a full-day service leadership workshop. During this special event, organized by the Bahrain Institute of Banking and Finance, I will show you the proven architecture that market leaders have used to build an uplifting service culture, to capture market share, increase customer loyalty, attract, develop, and retain the very best staff. This is the same proven set of strategies and action steps that leaders in many different markets have applied in many different industries. So whether it's Apple Computer, or Singapore Airlines, Changi International Airport, the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, Nordstrom, Zappos, any of the major leaders in service have gotten there by building an uplifting service culture that gives them a sustainable competitive advantage. Now, I've been working in the banking and the insurance industries for many years, and I've been coming to the Middle East every year for more than 2 decades. So I promise to adapt this presentation to suit your culture and to make sure that the strategies and the action steps that you learn are immediately applicable, realistic, and valuable in your organization to help you improve customer service, increase customer loyalty, expand share of wallet, increase assets under management, and become the organization that attracts, develops, and retains the very best people. I'm Ron Kaufman, and I look forward to seeing you at the Service Leadership Workshop, organized by the Bahrain Institute of Banking and Finance. Come, enjoy the day, bring your team, apply what you learn, and win.